All right, hey everybody. Today we're going to install a trailer hitch on a RC four-wheel drive Trail Finder to 1/24th scale truck. That's a mouthful. I won't try to say that again. So this is the Toyota. It's the only one that I've got that's RC four-wheel drive. I've had a lot of requests for parts for it and stuff, so thought I would start out making a few things, trailer hitch being one, to go along with the trailers that I'm doing. So anyways, this one here, the kit comes with a bumper, mainly just because the truck doesn't come with one to start with, and it also sort of helps with the installation of it. So it holds on the back side of the trailer hitch. This truck I've also put the Kyosho tires on, which I make adapters for those, and stuff. So anyways, we'll go ahead and just try to do a fairly quick little video and start the install. And the first thing we'll do, get the body off. And there are two really small screws here on the side that hold on this back cross brace. So let's take those out. Okay, take the cross brace. First thing we're going to do is we're going to connect the little drop hitch receiver piece to the back side of this cross brace. So you'll see a couple of little tabs. These are where those little screws went in on the sides of the chassis. So make sure those are facing the back side of this. So when you flip it around, we're going to put the screws in from back here, and the little tabs will be going across the top. So take the two long, they have the deep threaded screws, and get those started in from the back. And you can actually go ahead and screw these in till the tops of the screws are just about flush with the back. And then go ahead and put it through that cross brace, making sure those tabs are on the top. Then we're going to take the bumper, line it up with those screws that are sticking through a little bit, and go ahead and put the screws all the way through. Now I'm going to go ahead and assemble the rest of it before I put it on the chassis. Go ahead and take this a little, I don't know, this is a drop hitch receiver. Slide it on, and you can put one of the small screws in each side to hold it on. They don't go all the way in, just put them about halfway to start, and then you can tighten them a little more until they touch in the middle. You'll feel a little bit of resistance, but don't try to screw them all the way in, because they won't go all the way through. So you'll see they'll stick out just a little bit on each side. Next, take the drop bar, slide it up through here. You may have to change this a little bit and adjust it to whatever height you need, but just go ahead and put a small screw in from the side, and it should go through one of the corresponding holes. And then take the machine screw and put it in the end. That's what I include to act as the sort of like the ball for the trailer. Some people like to swap it out with others. If you do decide to swap it out with something different, make sure you take note of whether or not it has a shaft bigger than this, and you may need to ream it out a little bit. Otherwise, you will crack this. So, and don't try to drill it. That will crack it as well. So that's the assembled unit. Now all we need to do is put the cross brace back basically the same way we took it out, using the 2 really small screws. Okay, so that completes the install. You'll notice the top of this actually goes up against the bottom of this it's another crossbar that holds on the body posts. So that prevents, as you're pulling a trailer, it prevents it from pulling up. And then there are a couple of these these little tabs underneath here that are hitting the chassis, which prevent it from bending back, like if you back up with the trailer attached. So that pretty much gets it. Put the body back on. I'm testing some magnetic body mounts right now, so my body doesn't just stay on there perfectly. So anyways, that's pretty much it. Feel free to hit me up with any questions or anything, and other than that, keep on crawling.